Good afternoon, students. Today we will going to study chapter number 21, English grammar, direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech. The actual words of the speaker are quoted within inverted commas. Example: Tina said, "My brother is going to office." Indirect speech. When someone reports what the speaker says. Example: Tina said that her brother was going to office. There are certain rules to change from direct to indirect. Like indirect sentences, can, will and shall is used. And when we change it to indirect sentence, the words will change from can to could, from will to would, and from shall to should. Has and have are used in present tense. Has is used for singular words. Have is used for singular and plural both. Had is used in past tense. In the reported speech, the words expressing nearness are changed into words expressing distance. Like if there are words like now, this, these will change. These are used in direct speech and it will be changed to then, that, those in indirect speech. Now is changed to then, this to that, these to those, here, there, thus, so, come, go, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, ago, before. To understand in a better way, let's see how the tenses changes from when we change the sentence from direct to indirect speech. Like suppose the sentence is given in simple present. Alok said, "I am fine." It will be changed to simple past. Alok said that he was fine. Present continuous, he said, "I am reading." Past continuous, he said that he was reading. See here, was is used, just we are changing the tenses of the sentence. I am is changing to he was. Present perfect, he said, "I have done my work." Past perfect, he said he had done his work. Now for past perfect we use had. For present perfect continuous, he said, "I have been reading for 2 hours." Past perfect continuous, he said that he had been reading for 2 hours. Now coming to interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? The sentences that ask question, okay, and had a question mark. When we report questions, the indirect speech is introduced by such verbs as ask, inquire and demand. So in indirect, when we are converting from direct to indirect, the word said is changed to ask, inquire and demand. We use the verbs ask, inquire and demand instead of said and told. If the answer of the direct question is either yes or no, we have to use whether or if after such verbs. See, suppose in the question is asking like she said, "Hari, do you like tea or coffee?" So here answer will be either tea or coffee. So if you have only two options, not the third option, there we use whether or if. And the third rule is the question mark is omitted in the indirect speech. Dear students, we have already done exercise A previously, but kindly check the answers again. I am giving you the answers. Check it again and write it again. Make the correction in the given sentences which are not correctly written. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C, and exercise D is in your syllabus. Cut exercise E, F, G, H, I.